Are you thinking of starting your own YouTube channel? Just have it at the back of your mind that it's never going to be easy. It's never going to be easy. Don't expect to post a video and you get views instantly and you start making money from YouTube. It is going to be very difficult process. The process is going to be very difficult. It takes perseverance, it takes patience, it takes consistency to start making money on YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. If you are just tuning into my channel, I'm called Pretty Queen. Do well to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first person to see it. So let's dive into the business of the day. Starting up a YouTube channel is not a day job. If you are coming to YouTube with the mindset of I will start making money immediately, or I will start making money when I post my first video, or I'm going to have a lot of views when I post my first video, you are going to break down. You are going to break down. If you understand YouTube, you will know how to build it little by little. Okay, don't expect to post your first video and you expect a lot of views, because if you have that kind of mindset or that type of mindset, when you post the video you have less view, nobody even viewed it, at times it's just 3 views, at times just 5 views, you are going to feel discouraged. Okay, you should have it in your mind that it's something that will take you time to build. It's a system you are building that with time to come, YouTube will start giving you a lot of money. You might make your mistakes. Yes, make your mistakes and learn from it. Don't expect that you will be perfect or your first video will be perfect. No, you started little by little. And as time is going, you are learning a lot of things. The only thing is just for you to start, okay? It is just for you to start. When I started my first YouTube channel, it was not easy for me. It was not easy. I was confused. At the point I was confused, I don't even know what type of niche am I going to. If I watch videos on YouTube and I see that okay, people are making money on this niche, I will jump into it. And trying to create it, I find it difficult. I find myself confusing every day. I was confused, totally confused. And that is the same thing most of you are facing now. When you want to start your YouTube channel, you don't even know how to start it. You don't even know how to start. You don't know what type of content you want to create. You are just so confused. You watch videos on YouTube like me, and you see a lot of people. This one say I'll be making. Look at how much YouTube have paid me. You say, this is the type of niche I want to go into. But at the end, you're getting yourself confused. It was not actually easy for me. It was. It's like I was going crazy because I didn't identify what I can do on YouTube. I didn't identify it. So when I started the first channel, I tried my best. I started having subscribers, especially on shorts. I started having a lot of subscribers, but at the end, I made a mistake and the YouTube channel was terminated. That was when my head wanted to explode because how would I start it all over again? How am I going to do? What would I do? Creating another YouTube channel, starting all over again. Starting a YouTube channel, you have to prepare yourself, prepare your mind. Even big creators, there are times they break down. There are times they break down. Not to talk of you that you haven't gotten anything yet. So just have that heart, okay? Start it small. With time, you're going to build it all over again. You're going to be perfect. Don't expect yourself to be perfect from your first video, your second video. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, but keep doing your thing. Keep being you. Keep being real. Be consistent. Keep doing it the way you want to do it. Just be you. Just be real. And with time, you start getting those views from YouTube. Okay, YouTube will start pushing your videos. Even if you have 3 views, don't feel ashamed. At times when I have low views, I'll just feel like this video is not good. Let me just go and delete it. Let me go and delete it and do another one again. No, you don't have to delete it. That video you might be deleting it with time is going to get you a lot of views. And also, consistency is what matters on YouTube. Okay, have days you're posting consistently. If it's 3 times in a week, do it. If it's 2 times in a week, make sure you do it. Keep uploading your videos back to back. Okay, keep uploading your videos. Have a particular time that you know that your viewers will be online. You post your videos, even if it doesn't have so much view. Just leave the video to be there. Don't feel breakdown. Keep doing it, but you have to start it. Okay, you have to start that YouTube channel you have been dreaming of, you have been thinking of, but you don't know how. Just start it. I was confused, and my YouTube channel, my first YouTube channel, was being terminated because of copyright issues. But I'm not going to stop it. We'll all make that money here on YouTube. I said you're not ready for the money. Me, I will not stop. Even if as I'm doing this video, if people don't watch it, if they don't view it, I will keep doing my thing. I will keep being real. Okay. So guys, go on and start it. Go on and start it. Don't be discouraged. Maybe you might be watching a lot of videos on YouTube. This one is saying like this one is saying like this. At the end, you yourself, you're confused. You don't even know what to do. No. Go ahead and start it. In the process, you're going to learn a lot of things. Okay. You are going to learn a lot of things. You at a point, YouTube will be sweet. You'll be excited to do videos. You won't lack what to say. Eh? You won't lack what to say. It's all about facing camera. Oh. Because it's facing camera, most of us can do it, but we don't know what to say. Yes, we don't know what to say. We don't even know how to start. Just do it. I was not talking like this though. I was not talking like this. But because of YouTube, I've learned how to start talking. Mm. I've learned how to start talking. So you too can do it. Guys, thank you for watching. Keep being real. I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget also to hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you really want to see it. Okay? So that we can learn and grow together. Thank you. Bye bye.